Hello dear traders, let's start our Sunday morning review, and today I want to observe four assets. First of all, British pound, then Canadian dollar, Mexican peso and natural gas. We see bright shorting opportunities in currencies which were created on Friday, and I want to take your attention on British pound, on the tick imbalance which happened here, and very strong divergences of volumetric delta and quantitative delta here, as you see. Very strong enforcement of market delta sellers, and the price still have not made any reaction on these sellers because strong buyers step by step moved their limit orders, and we see such strong divergence here. Anyway, we need to wait when the price will break this level of resistance which was created on the market imbalance that happened on this news, which were according to interest rate decision of the British bank, and it was a level where market buyers met a strong supply zone. And now we came to this zone, broke it, and of course market seems to be very strong. But if this level, this ice line, will be broken to the downside, the market can easily change its direction and move to the south. And we see, according to options market and according to the strikes, that the biggest call options interests were opened much lower than the price is now, as you see. And the minimum payouts level is near the price 1.21. It is, of course, very far from, and it is a unique situation. You see the tendency of minimum payout levels that they moved up, but on this contract, the situation is very extraordinary. Despite it is too far from the current price, it is still a magnet, and additional reason why the market can make a reversal. Let's take a look on Canadian dollar. Also, ask imbalance we saw on Friday after divergence of quantitative delta and volume delta, and this engulfing candle which we saw on the daily chart showed to everybody that sellers were defeated, and of course nobody short here. But for my approach, which stands on working with market maker, it is a good selling opportunity from here, and to my mind the price can go from here to the downside. The additional reason also we can take to the consideration that a lot of put options were bought, so the sentiment of market makers positions seems to be bearish here. Let's take a look on Mexican peso. The price on the daily chart respected the level of support, but here we see the local imbalance after the divergence of deltas also, and the path of least resistance in Mexican peso is to the downside from this price level. And now let's take a look on the natural gas. Here we see involvement of sellers with this tick chain, very long tick chain with the duration of 10 seconds. It is really not the standard, because most of tick chains, they have length up to 3 seconds, 5 seconds, not more. But here we have really big enforcement of sellers. It seems to me that involvement from this price level was organized in natural gas, and if the price starts the week from the upside movement, I expect when it will fix above these HFTs that price of the natural gas will go from here to the upside. So traders, I wish you a perfect week. Hope that this forecast will help you better understand the market, where it turns from chaos to some predictable patterns. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on the other side next Sunday. Goodbye.